forgot what I was gonna say. Hello everybody, how are you doing? It's me, Lindy. It is Lindy, by the way. I know a lot of people still call me Crystal. My name is not Crystal, my name is Lindy. I know it's confusing because I literally call myself Crystallindyy on the internet. But Crystal has nothing to do with my name in real life. I called myself Crystallindyy because I was a fan of crystal castles. That's where the name comes from. It has nothing to do with this video, but I just felt like I had to clarify it at least once. So yeah, hey, it's me, Lindy. Welcome to a new video where I'm going to dye my hair. I mean, what else? What else? I'm just gonna dye my hair. Right now I have red hair, obviously. It is faded out a lot. But I'm not going to dye it a different color today. I'm gonna keep it red, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more spicy. Because right now I have like light roots, darker ends. It's a vibe. But I really want to have like the stripy hair. I absolutely love that, but I could never do it because my hair was like too short and it just wouldn't make any sense at all. And I feel like my hair is finally at a length where I can like pull it off. So I'm going to try and give myself some cute stripy hair. And like I said, I'm gonna keep it red. I'm gonna go for like a dark red and a bright red. So if you want to see me do that, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want to have a very fun hairstyle. I absolutely have no idea how people do it, by the way. I looked up so many videos to see like how the sectioning has to go. Oh, by the way, I want to have something like this. I'm not sure if I already showed you guys. Like, this is the vibe I'm going for. But I don't know how the sectioning works. Like, I really do not know. I tried to look up so many videos. I couldn't really find like a definite answer. So I'm just gonna wing it. Because that's the way I live my life. So what I do know is that I want like the front to be lighter. So we're gonna start off with light section, then dark section, then a light section, and I think like the back has to be dark then too. So I guess it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sections? Does that make sense? I don't know. I think so. And I think I want to have like the bottom of my hair to be light. So I think I'm gonna do like a section where I'll be like from here and then like this. And dye this all a light red color. Does that gonna make sense? I hope so. So first off, I'm gonna start with the front section. Oh my god, the sectioning is gonna be so annoying, I can already tell. The first section is pretty nice. Okay, let me just braid it real quick. I think this section might be a little bit too small, but yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Cute. This is kind of a nice hairstyle, by the way. I already have a feeling that these sections are not gonna work out. Which is not a good feeling, but yeah. I just realized that I'm doing it wrong because I want the front section to be darker. But I want the underneath to be lighter. I mean, to be honest, I have no idea what I want. I just want someone else to do this for me because I can't decide. Okay, oh my god, I think I figured it out. So, these sections are gonna be dark. Yeah. Then these are gonna be light. These are gonna be dark. These are gonna be light. And then the one in the back is gonna be dark. And the one underneath is gonna be light. Oh my god. And I think I'm gonna start with like the bright reds. Because that way, if I accidentally like spill the dark red on like the light red parts, then it won't actually dye the hair because there's already dye on there. If you know what I mean. And I already know it's not gonna be perfect, but I just hope that at least it's gonna be like good enough. Okay. I already forgot these sections. So this is the first red section. Whoa, first section! This actually went very fast, so I guess we're on the right track. Is that just me, or is this section like way bigger? Oh my god, why does it keep getting dark? I'm sorry. I really feel like this dye makes no difference at all. It's not showing up. Okie dokie! Now onto the bottom layer. Oops. Oopsie doopsie, it's on the floor. The light sections are done, and I gotta be honest, they don't look very light to me. So I hope that the dark red that I have is going to be like dark enough for you to actually see the contrast, because otherwise I'm doing this all for nothing. And I don't like that. It is a pretty red, that's for sure, but I'm just not sure if it's dark enough. Oh my god. Maybe I just shouldn't have dyed the lighter parts and just kept them like faded the way they were. But yeah. Whatevs. Dyeing my beautiful hair. Everything is going right. Everything is going according to plan. Na 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 na. Oh my god, I am finally done. And I have to be honest, this was not a fun experience for me. Like, this was very annoying to do. I like dyeing my hair, but I don't like being precise. And I had to be very precise. And I also feel like it's just not gonna work. I feel like the difference is gonna be like non-existent. Also, holy shit. Look how bright my hands are. Oh, what the fuck? Damn. They have never been this intense. It's like neon red. Okay, but yeah, this is what it looks like right now with the sections and all. Sick. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 40 minutes, I think, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. And then I can show you the disappointment. Like, I already feel like this is gonna look so bad. But I gotta keep my hopes up, okay? I'm gonna manifest an amazing hairstyle. Ta-da! It definitely did not go according to plan. I mean, I like my hair, don't get me wrong. I really love the color. I think it's a beautiful, like, deep red. Like, bright, deep, dark, vampy, blood red, which is very cute. However, the thing that I was going for, it just didn't work out because the reds were too similar. So that really sucks. And you know what the stupid thing is? This has happened to me before. I once tried to dye my hair with stripes with like green, dark green and light green, and the exact same thing happened, and you couldn't even see like the differences. I mean, you can see it like a tiny bit on top, that this is darker than that, but overall it's not. It's not doing the thing. But let me just take my braids out and then I can show it a little bit better. there is like a slight difference in colors, but nothing too obvious. So that kind of sucks, but at the same time, I do really like my hair. And I'm just gonna try it again another time. And then next time, maybe go for some like, you know, colors with more contrast. Let's say it like that. It's cute, it's nice, it's red. I feel like a vampire and I love it. And I also didn't bleach my hair today. So those are 2 wins in my book. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching and I really hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao.